Artificial intelligence is reshaping jobs everywhere. Some roles will vanish, some will change, and entirely new ones will appear. But which jobs are most at risk? Repetitive and rule-based jobs are the most vulnerable. Data entry clerks, telemarketers, basic customer support agents, routine accounting and bookkeeping, retail cashiers, assembly line and packaging roles. If your work is predictable and repetitive, AI will likely take over. So how can you stay ahead? Focus on skills AI can't easily replace. Learn to work with AI, become tech-savvy, critical thinking and problem-solving, creativity and storytelling, emotional intelligence and leadership, adaptability. Keep learning new skills. Your best advantage is adaptability and human skills AI cannot copy. The future belongs to those who evolve with technology. Don't fear AI. Use it to build the career of tomorrow. Subscribe to Development Champions for more future-ready content.